guys, Leslie here, Run with Craft Scissors. So I wanted to go ahead and film this haul video from Sweet Kawaii Design. I ordered during their Christmas and July sale. My brain kept telling me Black Friday, and I was like, that's not it yet. I ordered during their Christmas and July sale. I usually do, I don't know that it's every year, but I know I've done it at least 2 other times in the 8 years I've been planning. But obviously, like my first year, I don't even think I knew that Sweet Kawaii Design existed. So their mailing packaging is super cute and customized. SweetKawaiiDesigns.com. I don't think they're on Etsy at all anymore. And then it says, caution, contents may cause extreme happiness. So that's really funny. My order actually got delayed. Not because of them, but I guess because of the post office. Because it said it was supposed to be delivered on a Friday, and it didn't get here until like a Monday. Anyway, and then you get this little paper pocket that has your order in it. I have shown you guys this before. I will take a paper trimmer and I will cut right here all the way across, and then you have a little pocket, a paper pocket that you can then put adhesive on the back and stick on a page or a cover in your planner, and then you have a cute little Sweet Kawaii Designs planner pocket. So there's a little DIY for you. Not a huge order. We'll see if I got a pickle. I've never gotten a pickle before. So what that means is that like you get a shop credit. I think she said it was anywhere from like $5 to $100. I don't remember. It was a while ago. So here's the freebie that I got. I totally left my coffee somewhere else. I think it's in the living room. This is the freebie that I got for mentioning Kelly. They actually just rolled over to new freebies after I ordered. I think this last week, like the first week of August, they changed their little mushrooms, the shape is. This one's a book, which I love for school. And then it has all the PR girls and then Zach as well on here, and Tasia as well. But I love these. I think they're really cute. So like this looks like going for a walk. Then there's like sleeping, and then there's like a bath time, reading with glasses, record player. There's like bottles of lotion. I'm not really sure what's happening here. Like a spa day, and then a book, and then like nail polish, nail file clippers, and then another bathtub, yoga, and then a planner with stickers and washi. So that's what the freebie was the same for everyone. I don't think that there was any differences in this part. This part might have been different colors. I can't remember. All right, and then for ordering during the Christmas and July sale, I don't remember if you had to meet a minimum or not. You got this little stocking sticker sheet, which is adorable. I know a lot of people like won't use these because they just look so cute together. Because like once you take these off, it's like what's left. And you can buy some of her freebies. I don't know if this one is, but you can buy some of her freebies from her store. Like if you missed one, you can, but I think it's like $2 or $3. So just to let you know. So we got our little Christmas cookies. We got Poe with a wreath on his shirt, like Ugly Sweater Day or something. And then you have your little snowman and a snow globe. I don't know the name of that one right now off the top of my head. Kind of new. And then a tree, pine cone, and a candle, and then some garland, and then, of course, like a peppermint coffee. So, adorable. We'll probably use all of those. And then this is the freebie for July, so then you also get this. So, here's the thing. Here's what you do. You make sure that you order on a Friday, because then you get a specialty freebie like this. Freebie Fridays. Also, that ends at a certain time. It's like 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so catch that. So you order on a Friday. You mentioned a PR girl, so then you get the PR freebie and the Friday freebie, and then every order comes with this freebie. So that's how I do my order, because then I can get the most little cute freebies added. Also, this is really... really helpful. They warn people about their stickers because they smear. I can't use Papermate gel on these. My go-to is actually from Staples, I believe. I'm not sure if I have one near me because they're usually on my desk. But it's a Staples black. I have the School Smart. I have the School Smart that you can use. I do have that. And then that's another School Smart. They're like square. Yeah. It's called True Red, even though it's not red. That's the brand. I think it's from Staples. And it's the permanent. You just got to make sure you buy the fine tip like this, and it works. It works really well on her stickers. So I haven't found very many color options to use on her kits, and then you got to switch pens when you write on your planner paper. So that's kind of the, but whatever. So you have Happy Meal, you have sunglasses. He looks a little sunburned or sweaty. And then this one has some highlighters and midliners and some pens over here. It's like a little pencil pouch. So cute little stationery freebie. Okay. So, oh, and then you get a card. You get one of the note cards, postcards. It's a thank you on the back, and then the front is always something really cute. So this one says today is canceled, and it has, I think his name's Frank, sleeping. I feel like that today, going back to work today. So the single sheets that I bought, I went ahead and bought the August Wacky Holidays for 2023. I did see that Whole Lot of Plans. She was destashing her Wacky Holidays in her stories, just to let you guys know. So it's already been August 1st, but it's funny that it says Girlfriend's Day because we all celebrated Planners Day, right? So I don't know. And then Ice Cream Sandwich Day, Watermelon Day. I also know, I think today's also like Coloring Page Day. So I think they have a couple, obviously, options to choose from, and then she just selects it. Maybe based on doodles they already have too. Underwear Day is interesting, but I always like to do these in my monthly plan with me's. I'm not going to go through all of them because it's a good talking point during your monthly plan with me. Like it makes that video a little bit more fun. Like, what would you do on that day? Or, like, how would you celebrate? Or what's your favorite topping on a fajita? Like, that's the kind of, like, stuff that I'll talk about when I do these. And so I went ahead and got September because that was already available. So I got that. You guys can see those. They're just cute little kawaii images. For the most part, they have kawaii faces. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes it's just, like, this one is cream-filled donut day, so it's a donut. It does look like a Krispy Kreme, like powdered on top and then like the filling coming out in the middle. It's funny. Okay, and then the other one I like to order from my son doing his laundry is George doing laundry because he's like eating a sock. And I just find that really hilarious. It just does. It makes me think like Monsters, Inc. doing laundry. Okay, I'm going to open the cello bag. Sorry. So this is the kit that I ordered. Yes, I only ordered one kit. There was definitely more than one in my cart, and I kind of narrowed it down. So I bought the holiday baking sheet. So here's your freestanding checklist. And then you have a weekend banner. And then you have these cute little, like, some are deco, and then those are deco. And then some are actual, like, functional stickers. And then here's all your headers. So I think I have to write on all of these ones, like to do or today or whatever. I don't think there's written headers in here, so you have to write those out. I kind of like the non-traditional Christmas colors. There is obviously green and red, but there's like a throw-in of pink and like a teal. Okay, so this one says a balanced diet is Christmas cookie in each hand. Then you've got Simon trying to bake something. And then you've got Frank over here baking spirits bright. Christmas baking crew, and you have Bo and Poe, and then Sweet as Christmas cookie, and then you have our little unicorn girl. Why can't I remember her name ever? Nope, not there. And then you have George down here. That's the trouble I have when shops have characters. I always forget their names, or at least some of them. Okay, then you have a bowl and a mixer, and then you have to do, $2 Tuesday, freebie Friday, day off, tidy up. $2 Tuesday, I think they do it all the time. It's usually individual sheets, if you're like wondering. And then freebie Friday, that's a definite, like, I don't order every Friday, but if I'm going to order, I order on a Friday. Okay, and then here's your Monday through Sunday. Here's another full box that you can write in. I love this one. It's like a place for your, like, spoons and spatulas. It's a utensil container. And then you have your Monday through Sunday stickers. And then you have some big deco here. Rolling pin, flour, eggs, cookie sheet, and then a big mixer and a cake. I kind of wish the cake was more Christmassy looking, but that's okay. All right, and then you have some functional boxes here. So they have 4 regular scalloped half boxes, and then they have some that look like jars that contain candy or sugar or something. And then you have some quarter boxes here. Looks like 7 of those, so you have enough for each day. And then this is what really sold me. Look how cute this bottom washi is with the Christmas cookies. Adorable. And I've actually done, I think I've done a mixer. Maybe it wasn't a full-on mixer. I know I've done some baking ones. That's for sure. And then I did my Christmas in July sale as well. And so I have some Christmas clips already. So I have like the coffee cup I made and the present and the new poinsettia or poinsettia, depending on what you're saying. So these already match, so that's good. And then I have my snowman. There was a snowman and a snow globe on the freebie, so that'll work too. But I think those were my major Christmas new releases. I kind of like doing them in July because then it's like, I have pet one. I forgot the pet stocking, which doesn't really go with this kit, but there you go. So that is the Sweet Kawaii design. Look at the headers. The little mixer is so cute. That is the Sweet Kawaii design Christmas in July order that I placed. I like to put the sheet on top so I know what my kit is going to be. I feel like this one doesn't completely tell me. I'm like, what is going on? Baking, Christmas, okay. So I do that. So I bought one kit, and I bought Wacky Holidays, and I bought one sheet of George's, and then I got 3 freebie mini sheets and a note card. So I hope you enjoyed this haul video. I will link Sweet Kawaii Design in the description box below. I love all of her PR girls. I think the ones that I follow closely are probably Kelly and a Whole Lot of Plans, which is, what's her real name? Kayla. Kayla and Kelly are the ones I follow pretty closely as far as the PR girls go, just to let you guys know. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe, share if you want to, and comment down below what your favorite sticker was from my order, and I will respond to you. All right, thank you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.